Today, we're going to take a good look at some of the best ways to make use of GPT-5, OpenAI's newest model. We're talking about features such as its advanced technology, less hallucinations, better reasoning, and other new use cases that come with this updated model. Sit tight. This is one hell of a trip. Insane app creation on personalized dashboards. One of the first things that pop out when you use GPT-5 is its ability to make personalized dashboards for the user. With GPT-5, you'd find that it has the capabilities to create SaaS on demand. Sure, it doesn't have the ability to make full-stack applications yet, but it can make small SaaS locally, thanks to its advanced coding features. This allows the user to create a quick app that could help you make your business or your studies better than ever before. All you have to do is head over to GPT-5 and start prompting. For example, you could use the AI to do so by asking it to build something for you in a way that helps you see the valuation of this SaaS increase or decrease. Make sure that you make it based on the different things that you do along the way. Once it puts this together for you, you can now make decisions in a way that helps you focus your energy on the things that could make your product better, which in turn would add value to the SaaS. Following this, you can render everything in Canvas and run the code. This would help you see the valuation of the SaaS, thereby giving you the ability to see all the developments as they occur in real time. You can also see how much the business is worth as well. This feature also helps you in situations that exist outside of the business world. For example, it could help you present all the information that you may need in order to achieve a certain goal, even if it is more in volume than that which is needed to run a business. To do so, you can ask GPT-5 to consider all the factors involved before fixing them onto an interactive dashboard. And boom, you'll have everything on screen. Design-level innovation. Then there are guys like Pietro, a designer and developer who is also the CEO of Magic Path. He, among others, have been able to see how to take his work to another level by building personalized apps for his design company. Eager to bring his designs to life, he has shown that his focus is on interaction. That is why he was impressed by GPT-5, because to him, it is the closest model that can actually bring your ideas to life. One of the ways learned about the capabilities of GPT-5 was by asking it for a camera app that would let him draw in real time with his hands in the air. Pretty cool, right? With the canvas in the camera and the hand tracking technology embedded in the AI model, we can pretty much do everything that comes to mind as you design your work. Aside from this amazing feature, Pietro was also amazed by how GPT-5's innate sense of creativity and taste. He learned this from the very first time he used GPT-5. During this exercise, he asked GPT-5 to create a beautiful infinite canvas app where he could drag and drop photos with the text, file, and website all in one file. As it gave Pietro his output, the designer felt like it was almost like talking to another designer. This is pretty impressive stuff, especially as it also is great at the development aspect of things. Pietro found that GPT-5 is great at helping you overcome your deficiencies as a developer. For example, if you suck at debugging, don't worry because GPT-5 has your back. When you take a deeper look at it, you'd find that GPT-5 returns a larger amount of code than its previous models. To make things better, this much larger amount of code was also more coherent than that of the previous version as well. Asset speed, intelligence, reasoning, tool calling, and understanding, and you may come to realize that we are dealing with an insanely functional model. Creative writing boost. Next up, we can take a look at how great GPT-5 is when it is used as an intelligent co-writing assistant. Although many of us know how to use these AI models to write, GPT-5 proves itself to be superior to others because it can actually help you bring out the best of your creativity. Just look at how Sarah Rose Siskin uses it as she forges a career as a comedy writer. According to her, GPT-5 is the ultimate research assistant, especially as it is able to understand the many niche expertises that exist today. Thanks to GPT-5, you can carry out research on anything ranging from soccer to weaponry to cooking. Why? To make things better, it also makes the content relatable to the user. Thanks to GPT-5, Sarah was able to write her play called The Primordial Soap Opera. Thanks to the AI model, she was able to structure her work to perfection while developing characters that are as robust as they are intriguing. On the more technical side, Sarah found that GPT-5 oscillated from reasoning models to multimodality or web search, or whatever the situation needed. To make things even better, it seems to be able to do that for itself, thereby showing us how flexible it can be so that it could fulfill the task in the best way possible. This extends to fields outside the world of creativity, as you could also use this flexibility to figure out different scenarios for your business based on all the information that is available to it. With this, you can also figure out how to get through all the scenarios that present themselves in such a business. It can even help you figure out what is most likely to work and what is most likely to fail. Just make sure you prompt it to think deeply about the problem, or if you want it to search, to make it as detailed and as precise as possible. Do not miss out on this useful feature. Predictive Reasoning Pure. Another fascinating feature that can be found in GPT-5 is its ability to reason about the future, especially something that hasn't happened yet. With such a feature, Dr. Daria Unutmas, a professor and human immunologist with 35 years of experience in trying to understand how the immune system works and how it impacts different diseases, he is able to take his work to another level because he is able to interact with something that knows much more than him in his own field. That says a lot when we're talking about someone with 35 years worth of experience in his own field. He was able to discover this when he carried out exercises such as using the AI model to carry out an experiment on some immune cells that were engineered to recognize cancer cells. Although they got some data, they weren't able to figure out what it told them. Well, thanks to GPT-5, they were able to learn about things that they were able to perform while gaining some groundbreaking insights as well. This will help scientists streamline their research and experiment process much faster than ever before. This will also help the patients relate better with the doctors as well, thereby making it an amazing AI model to have at your disposal. AI Life Organizer. Even the organizer, GPT-5, can help the user get a hold of all their affairs. Now, you can integrate GPT-5 with your email, your calendar, or any tool you may be making use of, so that you can make sure that your entire schedule is properly managed. With this, you can actually prompt the AI model to help you plan out a schedule for any given day. You can integrate both Gmail and your Google Calendar to the AI model just to test things out for yourself. You can see how it will help you plan out anything from your daily morning run to your 5 p.m. pitch meeting with that important sponsor. This may be the best thing to help you get your life in order. Context-aware guidance. Finally, people will be happy to make use of GPT-5 because it is also good at helping the user stay up to date with many things that they wouldn't ordinarily be aware of. For example, there is this story about a woman who was confused about her cancer diagnosis. Looking for answers, she searched GPT-5 and learned all the updated knowledge she needed to learn while putting it in a way that the average person would be able to understand. To make things better, it is also better at navigating or avoiding hallucinations. With this tool and its features, we can see how this helps the AI and the user get the best information that is suited for the context that is playing out in front of them. With such a tool, we may be set to handle anything that presents itself in the future. Now that is a major breakthrough for AI